Rashid Broadbell ran the second fastest time in the world so far this year, while there were a few other personal best efforts at the first meet in the JOA J3A's Olympic Destiny Series at the National Stadium on Saturday. Jordan Fort was there.
Rashid Broadbell held the world lead for a few hours last month when he sped to 13.15 seconds. And on Saturday, he proved that performance was no fluke with a 13.10 personal best clocking at the JOA J3A's Destiny Series at the National Stadium. Broadbell sped past his training partner and Commonwealth champion Ronald Levy to register the second fastest time in the world so far this year, just ahead of another Jamaican, world and Olympic champion Omar McLeod, who ran 13.11 a week earlier. Levy clocked 13.29. Cleanly away. Good start from Ronald Levy in the middle of the track. Here comes Broadbell now. It's Broadbell and Levy side by side. Training partners, the MVP duo. It's Broadbell who steps ahead. Rashid Broadbell now runs away with it. Gonna be Rashid Broadbell all the way to the line. 13.12. The flash time on the clock for Rashid Broadbell, 13.10.
Well, I was a bit nervous at the start. I didn't want to pick it, so I just kind of relaxed and just try to get out properly, execute the first three, and try and pull through. And that's what I did.
Fresh off his gold medal winning performance at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships last week, St. Elizabeth Technical's Sachin Dennis sped to a lifetime best 10.15 seconds to top the 100-meter field, ahead of the likes of Nigel Ellis and O'Shane Bailey, who ran in a separate section.
Well, there have been many ups and downs. I just have to make best use of the moment.
Quarter miler Ronisha McGregor also showed she was in good form, winning the 100-200 double with times of 11.37 and 22.99 seconds. 2018 national 100-meter champion Taekwondo Tracy showed he was in good form, clocking 20.47 seconds to win the men's half-lap event, just ahead of Canadian Brendan Rodney 20.51 and Sprint Tech's Romario Williams 20.55. Candice McLeod was also among those who clocked personal bests on the day, winning the 400 in 51.12 seconds, while Demish Gay took the men's equivalent in a creditable 45.84 seconds in his season opener. In the field, Travis Michael threw 61.99 meters in his season opener in the discus, while world champs bronze medalist Adaine Richards won the shot put in 20.21 meters, and Tisana Hickling leapt 6.10 meters to win the women's long jump. Jamaican athletes with performances within the prescribed standards pocketed prize money for certain events once they finished within the top 6. Winners in Premier events pocketed $100,000, while in classic events, winners walked away with $70,000. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.